What's the meaning of bowfin? Bowfin. Bowfin.
Bowfin. Bowfin. A bowfin is a type of freshwater fish that is native to North America. It is also known as the mudfish, dogfish, or griddle. The bowfin has a long, cylindrical body with a dark green or brown coloration and mottled markings. It has a long dorsal fin that runs down its back and a long, tapered tail. The bowfin is an ambush predator that feeds on a variety of prey, including fish, crayfish, and frogs. It can breathe both air and water, which allows it to survive in low-oxygen environments. Despite its primitive appearance, the bowfin is a popular sport fish among anglers due to its fighting ability and size.